Imagine earning money while you sleep, without any upfront investment. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing in 2025. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. When a customer makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you receive a percentage of the sale. The affiliate marketing industry is booming, with global spending expected to surpass billions of dollars in 2025. Advances in technology, AI tools, and social media make it easier than ever to find your target audience and track performance metrics. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about, has proven audience demand, and offers high-paying affiliate programs. Sign up for reputable affiliate networks and programs that charge no fees. Popular options include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. You don't need a website to start affiliate marketing. Use free platforms like social media, YouTube, blogs, and email marketing to reach your audience. High-quality content is the key to earning affiliate commissions. Share honest product reviews, create how-to guides, and write comparison articles to engage your audience. Optimize your content for SEO to rank higher on Google and drive organic traffic to your affiliate links. Use relevant keywords, add meta descriptions, and utilize free keyword research tools. Track your performance using analytics dashboards provided by most affiliate programs. Identify high-performing content and focus on the products that convert the most. Avoid common mistakes like spamming links, promoting irrelevant products, ignoring analytics, and lacking transparency. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships to build trust.